guys, welcome back to Zeta TV. Today's topic, we are doing an unboxing / initial review of Urban Skin RX. It is a very popular skincare line that is supposed to target any kind of issues you're having with your skincare on your face. Let's get to it. Alright, so I'm going to be honest with y'all. When it was delivered, it was raining outside, so the box got towed up. So, I haven't used anything, and we're just going to go from this. This is the unboxing, unbagging it. Alright, so here is the bag that it comes in. A cute little tote bag, plain Jane. Something that you can reuse for traveling purposes. But anywho, that's not what matters. What matters is what's in it. A little information about what kind of skin we are dealing with here. I have an issue with dark spots, which I will drop pictures and videos showing. I deal with dark spots and also oily skin.
Very bad oily skin.
Oil spill, okay?
Anywho, so with dealing with my particular skin type, I bought the Acne and Dark Spot Control package. I know she a model. I can't think of her name, y'all. Can't think of her name. But anywho, basically, what the bag says, it is a regimen designed to control breakouts, oil, and blemishes. Boom, boom. At the bottom, though, it's going to say that they some melanin experts.
We gonna see. We gonna see who the melanin expert is. Let's get to the contents of the bag. Starting first, I guess we can just grab whatever.
First things first, we got the 3-in-1. What is this? The 3-in-1 treatment cleanser, exfoliator, and mask. Alright, hopefully y'all can see. This is a cute little jar. And it's literally like a little bar inside the jar. Let's see what it's smelling like. Oh, they gave me two.
I done dropped the damn top.
They give me two foam cleansers to be able to exfoliate and wash my face with. It literally smells like eucalyptus. That's definitely what it smells like. Perfect for anyone with oily and blemish prone skin. And I'm going to show you guys a video on how I use it on my face and let you guys know later in the video how this felt on my face.
Moving on.
The Complexion Protection Moisturizer. And that's that, right? It has a broad spectrum sunscreen, SPF of 30. Look like a little shaving bottle. I'm telling y'all, this looks like a little shaving bottle. This will be my moisturizer that I will use on a daily basis. I believe I would either use this in the morning or at night. Alright, so.
It ain't none coming out. Oh, that didn't send me an empty bottle. Let me find out.
So I was finally able to get something out. And it's pretty creamy. It's really thin. Smells fresh. Doesn't have a specific scent. Nothing as strong as the exfoliating bar. But it is really thin, which is really good because us people with oily skin, we can't have no thick moisturizers on our face. Moving forward, we have the Even Skin Tone. What is it called? Even Skin Tone Night Treatment. And they ran out of the large containers, so they said that they were going to have to send me 4 of the ½ ounce little bottles basically of this because they ran out of the larger bottle. I'm not tripping because I get more in these half of things all together than I would in a large bottle. More product, that is. So I'm not tripping.
Let's see what it smells like.
It's supposed to help clear up those dark spots as well. Mainly like a small treatment to do overnight on the skin to clear up those dark spots over a period of time. Alright, so I got a little bit here on the skin. It is like yellow. or what have you. And it's also really thin. And it's just another fresh little scent.
It absorbs in my hand pretty quickly.
Next, we have the Advanced Strength Clear Complexion Acne Serum and Spot Treatment. As you see here.
Got a nice little tube here. You're probably not gonna focus enough for you to...
I would use this as needed whenever I have any blemishes on my face. With me having oily skin, that is possible at a time. But I do drink a gallon of water a day, so I don't really deal with a lot of bumps or anything of that sort. But if I ever do, I would use this. And it is 5% benzol. I'm probably saying that so incorrect. And then 5% glycolic acid and arnica.
Arnica.
Oh, this y'all look like a medical tube. Another little fresh scent. Has a cool little knob on the top of it. Pretty cool. Last but not least, I have my clear and even tone clarifying glycolic pads. Basically like toner pads to help with dark skins and soaking up some of this oil off of my face. So these pads will be used for controlling my oil on my face, for blemishes, and brightens skin tone. Definitely tackle all three of the problems that I may be having on my face. Yeah, it smells like little witch hazily, and they are some. I would hate to just waste one. So, as you can see, there are little pads, little thin pads too. Yep, it is a 60-day supply. I get 60 pads in here, so a solid 2 months. And I should not have to buy any of those products for a while. Just to break down the routine here, they even sent me this. This comes inside of the bag, basically giving me a regimen for me to be able to use all of these products, and knowing when to use them and how to use them. I do look forward to seeing how this will play out. I have a problem with just finding products that actually work for me. I've used mattifiers as my moisturizers before, which kind of makes my face a little more oily than usual, or produce more oil than usual. I've used Dr. Bronner's as my face cleanser. I do bentonite clay face mask. I do the whole thing, but I never can really find something that works for me. Something that literally tackles the oily skin problem that I'm having and tackles my dark spots. So I can have a clean, smooth surface. It's really important to me that I don't look like an oil spill in my pictures. So I'm really excited to see how this is going to work for me and go straight into how I use them. Alrighty, so this is recorded in the evening, so I will be showing you guys the evening routine on today. First, I get out my cleansing bar, being sure that I wet it, not too wet. Squish, squish, squish around, get that thing popping, get the bubbles going. And I'm washing my face in circular motion, just a normal wash day on the face. Leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure that I wring out the sponge. Put lacing it on top of the jar for it to dry. Rinsing my face off with warm water first, then cold. Pat dry. Then I'm using the even skin tone. Making sure I put that all over my face. Then I'm going to tackle any blemishes that I currently have on my face, making sure that I put enough on there and applying it in circular motion. Just a little bit. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for coming and watching my unboxing and initial review for Urban Skin RX. We'll see you guys soon. I will be back for a 2-week review, and then after that I will do a 1-month review so that we can compare based on where I'm starting at and see if these products really are working for me and my skin type. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to do the little bell. That way you guys won't miss anything that I am posting. Thank you guys so much again for watching. You guys have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.